Treat your woman the same way you want your daughter to be treated. What goes around comes around. They impregnated your daughter without paying any damages. And you forgot that you have got 5 kids with your wife. You don't pay even a cent to your family. Your wife is someone's daughter. And now it happens to your daughter again. You are complaining why you are expecting to pay damages for your daughter, but you don't pay damages for your wife. People, we are forgot because you have got 5 kids, 6 kids, and now you have got grandkids, but you don't pay even any damages to your family. What about your father is saying about their daughter? Now you are complaining about your daughter. You are trying to fight the way they are treating her. They are abusing her. Your daughter's husband is abusing your daughter the same way you are abusing your mother. So there is no need to complain because men, you are same people. What goes around comes around. The same way you are treating your wife, and now your son-in-law is treating your daughter like that. How do you feel sometimes? Even your wife can ask you, because it's the same way you are treating her. You forgot that your wife is someone's daughter. Even your father can complain every day. You are staying with someone's daughter, you don't pay any damages. How do you feel? You buy cars, you build expensive houses, but you stay with your wife without paying any cent to your family. Men, they can do that. I don't understand. You have got 5 kids, 6 kids. You forgot that it can happen again to your daughter. Someone can stay with your daughter for free without paying any damages. How do you feel? How do you feel? You have to feel the same way. So sometimes what goes around comes around. Don't complain because you are the one who start treating your wife like that, and you know that you have got kids, you have got your daughters. You understand? Men, they are the same. Sometimes you are complaining that why my son-in-law is beating, abusing my daughter. What? Guys, what goes around comes around. You have to think about you, the way you are treating your wife. Learn to treat your woman very good, because you are expecting even your son-in-law to treat your woman like a queen. Maybe your daughter told your husband that my father was beating my mother, and now he start beating her again. So sometimes, guys, you have to learn a lesson. Maybe your son-in-law can told you that you are beating your wife. Why are you telling me that I I have to treat your daughter like that, but you are treating your wife like that? So you have to be careful sometimes when you are doing your own things.